Okay.
Gillies, what you got? You got paper?
Dad, let
Okay,
me.
here.
Mom hasn't gotten any.
Who's that one? That's
Jillian.
That's Chili. That's Chili. Help her open that.
I don't even know what it's doing. Mom, it's Christmas.
What?
Just relax.
What?
Down.
Look, Tyler, Jilly's playing with that, buddy. Leave that with
I
Jillian.
haven't seen what anybody has opened or anything.
Oh, you trying to give her that present?
Kelly?
She wants the paper.
Oh, thank you.
What do you need now? You want another present? Let me see, Grant.
Look how pretty it is. Thank you.
Hey, Jilly, should we open your present?
Tyler, right here. Here, this is for you. This is